Hi, welcome to the CartsPlus showroom here in Kelowna. My name is Erwin. I'm going to introduce you to another new series of carts that we're refurbishing in-house. They're refurbished from the frame up. Everything is rebuilt on the front end, and then everything on the front end is painted, and the frame is painted as well. We're reusing the original metallic body, but we're adding a premium light kit here. We're also adding premium radials, 14-inch radials. So we're also adding the signal light and hazard lights and horn, along with the state of charge meter. All of these components are new. New tail lights in the back. We've added a new rain cover. We are reusing the original cooler and the original sand bottles. Tail lights are included as well. This unit features the Samsung SDI battery. Samsung extends the warranty on this battery. It's totally maintenance-free. These batteries are designed to last for 15 to 20 years and come with an extended warranty. These units are great value because you can buy what's almost like a new golf cart, but at a used car price. So come check these out in our showroom. You can pick one out, or if you want, we can ship you one anywhere in BC or Alberta. Thanks for coming by.